Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Mama Triple and let me show you how I prepare this delicious easy stew recipe. All right, let's go. So here is my bell pepper, onions, ginger and Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to blend it not too smooth. In my pot I added my vegetable oil and I'm going to let it hot a little. After letting it hot, I added onions. I'm going to fry for some while, like for some seconds, and then I'm going to add my tomatoes. Okay, that's my diced tomatoes in the can. I'm going to let it cook. I added curry and thyme. This is optional. If you don't want it, you can just skip that. So I'm going to stir carefully and then cover to let cook for like 8 minutes. Okay, I'm going to do that on a low heat. So now I'm going to add my pepper mix and I'm going to stir, and after doing that I'm going to add my dried fish. Okay, it is very important for this recipe, like I like it in my stew, okay, in this type of stew that I prepared. So I added seasoning. That seasoning was a bit hard, and then I added a little salt. Then I'm going to stir carefully and then cover to cook for 5 minutes. So after letting it cook for 5 minutes, I added crayfish, and of course I'm going to also add the beef stock, the what I use in cooking the meat. I used goat's meat, dried fish, 2 eggs and smoked mackerel fish for this recipe. So this goat meat is what I grilled in the air fryer. So I added it and then I'm going to stir. After stirring, I'm going to, of course, cover it to cook for like 2-3 minutes. Remember, the goat's meat is a bit hard, like it is stronger than the mackerel fish and egg. So now I'm going to add my mackerel fish, my smoked mackerel fish and egg. We have come to almost the end of this video, guys. Look at this delicious, good looking stew. It has everything inside and the taste is just out of this world. So that's it, guys. That's my stew, looking so delicious. I covered again to cook for, let's say, another 2 to 3 minutes, and guys, that's it. My stew is ready. That's how I prepare this delicious, spicy, healthy looking stew you are seeing here. Thank you so much for watching from the start till the end, and please, if you find this video interesting, help me to share it with your friends. Don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms with the name Mama Triple N. So now it's time to eat. I really enjoy this food. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook. Till then, see you. Bye.